Hi friends. So economy is going down. Life is becoming tough. Who is saying that? Almost everyone? But this is not the right question. Question is what we are going to do about it. What we shall do in this time of recession, in this time of a crisis, what should we do? That's the real question. But if we listen to the experts, they say the time of recession is the right time to start your own business. Just by cursing the governments, just by blaming others, will not suffice the purpose. It will not suffice the purpose. We have to do something. If we really want to secure our financial future, we have to start our own business, and this is the right time to start our own business. Why? Because you listen to any expert, any economic advisor, he will advise that the recession is the right time when the entrepreneurialism comes up, when it heats up. The people who are visionary, they start their businesses at the time when the crisis is there, when the economy is dying. So this is the right time to start their own business. But which kind of business we should start? There are people who are making income just by trading their time, by trading their efforts. They put 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 hours a day in their work and they generate some income. But there are few people who make efforts not to create an income but to create an assets. Try to understand this. They also put time, but they don't put time to earn income. Try to understand this. They make efforts, they put time, and they create an assets. And that assets generate the income for them for the whole life. That is called asset-based income. Actually, we are creating a effort-based income. We put efforts, we make income. We put efforts, we put time, we make income. But these people, entrepreneurs, those successful business people, what they do? They put efforts, they put time, and they create an assets, and that assets generate income for them for the whole life, and they become free. That is how they can make two things simultaneously, money and time. Otherwise, either you will have a money or you will have a time. The people who have a money, they don't have a time to enjoy that money. And the people, those who have a time, they don't have a money to enjoy that time. If you want to make both the things simultaneously, if you want to be a free, if you want to have a money and time both at your discretion, we have to create an asset-based income. Which are the sources to create an asset-based income? There are so many sources. The best is network marketing. I'm not saying, experts are saying. Experts are saying. They are saying this business is the business of 21st century, and in 21st century, if any business will flourish, that will be network marketing business. Mind it. What is network marketing business? Why people are passionate about it? Why those people who are already well off, doctors, engineers, chartered accountants, lawyers, industrialists, they are into this business? I can tell you. I can help you to create an asset-based income. I am basically a civil engineer. I was working in central government. I started this business 20 years back. I left the job 14 years back. I am free. So come join us. My phone number is 98141-61506. Let me repeat, 98141-61506. You can contact me. Thank you so much. Come join us.